your strength and show me your weakness. We're in this together now. We're in this together now. Give me your love and tell me your secrets. 'Cause we're in this together now. Yeah, we're in this together now. I'll keep you safe, I'll give you my everything. Even if we're falling down, even if we're falling down, all of me is you.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? Was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on
you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Oh, dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond
Alright guys, so this is it for my video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. I hope you enjoyed the swatches. Let me know in the comment box below what's your favorite color among the 4. Have you guys tried these lipsticks? They're super bomb. I love that they're very opaque. They're very intense. They're very pigmented. They're super matte, and also they're almost transfer proof. It's like liquid lipstick in a bullet form. So let's try. So a little bit. I also love that the edges, you can just draw it around your lips like lip liner. I just love these lipsticks. These are my favorite formula from Charlotte Tilbury. These are my favorite lipsticks. Also the 4 from the holiday, all the reds. They're so good, pigmented. Once you wipe, you're done. Let me know in the comment box below if you love them too. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell for more upcoming videos. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!